Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be putting on these cactus mixed dahlias. As you can see, a few dead leaves on these. These have unfortunately dried out a few times. The recent hot weather, I forgot to water them. So just give them a good soak. They've recovered nicely, which they normally do, dahlias, because they've got nice fibre tuberous roots on them. This is the compost I'll be using. It's wicks, multi-purpose. Get it delivered 5 lots, 120 litres a bag. Really good stuff for starting seeds or potting on anything to be gardening. I really recommend that. So yeah, first of all, let's get cracking, shall we? Yeah, let's get cracking. I'm using these 9cm pots. I got these second hand from a well-known auction site last year or the year before. I could have got some cheaper ones, but these are quite robust. I've had them a few years and they're still, I've got a few that have damaged, like that one there, but all in all, really good quality. So first of all, what you need to do, you just fill your pots up, like so. Yeah, I've got my bag of compost under there just to catch any loose stuff. I normally use a plank to do this on, but because it's so nice, I'm doing it outside today. Like I said, it's a peat-based compost. It has a certain amount of feed in it, which is great. It gives them a good start. But I also feed them now twice a week now, this size. Plenty of sun in the greenhouse. Want to grow really well. Right, I'll show you these. Fill my pots up like so. Get them over there, nice and neat. And these are quite thin plastic, these. But if you want to try and keep using them, what I tend to do is just get a nice flat knife down the side, gently tease it like so without trying to damage the pot. There we go. Beautiful. Nice root system. A couple of dead leaves there, they can come on. And then once it's like so, you want it at the same level as it was in the other tray. Give it a tap down, try and get it centred, and then all you need to do then, give it a water and stick it in a tray of water. I'll just do a couple more. Yeah, these are, I'm going to put a few in my borders, but these could be a lot of these. I'm going to have a row of veg and a row of flowers. I'm really looking forward to it. Look at that one. That's even got a tiny little tube right there. Isn't that amazing? So small. But yeah, that's me letting it dry out. You see, you let it dry out and it panics and it tries to survive. So by surviving, it can make a tuber. So then when there's no water, it can actually feed itself, rehydrate itself. But what the professional growers say, if you want to keep them, treat them mean, keep them clean, to produce bigger tubers. But yeah, just get that watered. Yeah, right, I'll just do another one. I've just had one casualty here, snapped off, but I want to show you something. Look at that. That has got a nice little set of tubers forming there. So I'm just going to risk it. I'm just going to try and plant it. I've got nothing to lose. If it grows, it grows. If it doesn't, not the end of the world. Nice little experiment. That's that. Just one more. Yeah. These are going to look really well, these. I've got several more to go, several different types. Just get some compost in here. Like so. Nice bit of compost on the top. Little tap down, like so. Then give it a good press. Get it nice firm in there. Yeah, all I need to do then is give them a water. For that, I'm just going to move them into here. Into my little tray, my little bucket. Get them all lined up. Like so. Just have to hold them just to get a little bit of water in them, otherwise they'll fall up. That's it. Couple more. And that last one. Just give her a little tiny bit of water on the top. Only a little bit. And that's it. That's how to put your dahlias on. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Bye.